He likes Calvin more because Calvin's like the full 2 feet higher.
He looks like a baby.
Go get him.
Okay, bye.
Hello everyone. So we have Calvin Heimburg, Chandler Fry, Chris Dickerson, Erika Stinchcomb, Madison Walker, Brittany Dickerson, Sam! And I think Zach Melton is going to join here shortly. Tina Oakley behind the camera, me behind the camera, everybody hanging out, and hopefully we get
in, Madison!
Get in.
That was great, actually.
Yeah, thank you guys.
That was a really nice shot.
Enjoy, please.
Enjoy, please. Please.
Enjoy.
Please
just
enjoy.
For the love of God, enjoy it. Hey Matt, where are you going? Oh, okay. Probably couldn't hear you because you need to shut up. Tina, just going bite off the tee.
Safe play.
Safe play. So, no, not on camera. Come here, Vin.
What, are you a bandit? A wiener bandit?
Can you please?
What?
I need you to be serious. I have Chandler's Avenger SS because he left it on the last hole.
Oh my god, did he?
So I'm gonna hit him with the, hey man, dude, just try this pink that's got in my bag.
That's super good.
Yeah, but we're not gonna mention that we were like bringing up the.
Why would I not put it on camera?
Because it's like kind of like talking.
Sam, what are you doing?
For this pink disc in my back. Come here. I wonder what that disc is. Yeah, you left it again. Alright, cool. I just needed to know what it would do so I could throw it in the tournament. Oh, shit.
There you go. We'll have to bleep that with a dolphin sound.
Oh, it's just not gonna have enough fade.
Thanks, Madison.
Chris, why is your name upside down?
There's only so much you can do with
Chris, your mother is something else. I'm just gonna block her again.
Maybe it's just
Why's your name upside down?
Here. Gimme. Hold, please. Were you trying to smile the whole time? No.
Right. Oh, dang. Watch your mouth with that S word. What are you doing?
That was song too.
Sonic. Oh, dang, I didn't catch it. Oh, left-handed. Oh, you see, you ready for this? Oh, it's on me. Too much flutter. Tina, bite. Get him. Oh. Man, nobody's caught one yet. Oh, bite life? Headwind bite life uphill?
It's like right to left.
Yeah. I mean, you smashed it. My hat! Who are you talking to?
Zach.
Hey Zach. You're on camera. You made the vlog. You're there.
You're not physically here.
Oh. Being on the phone is somewhat kind of here.
No.
He's contributing to the conversation.
Not really. I mean, how much you do with that?
A little bit. Now he's on the vlog. So they can see your face. Hurry up! Vinny, what are we doing?
Floating a 3-pack point through.
Why would we do that?
Because they're faster than us.
Are they?
I think we're moving great.
Let's do. All right. See, there's got to be a punishment for. We don't have a CTP.
You can only lose?
Yeah.
There's no winning.
That's gonna be tough to beat.
Okay, Chandler.
I don't have to do push-ups.
That's your best motivation.
Yeah, absolutely. I'd win tournaments.
Vinny's doing push-ups!
I'm not.
Why not?
I'm just not.
Wow.
I'm not out here to just wreck myself. I did that
Get
for
ripped.
Texas State.
You did push-ups at Texas State?
No, I went to a freaking trampoline park.
You did. Wait, what do I get for the CGP? I just don't do push-ups.
You just don't do
Hold on,
push-ups.
hold on,
This is
don't.
so dumb.
Don't count your chickens just yet.
You guys aren't getting close.
Maybe not Eric, but
You would say don't count your chickens, wouldn't you,
I
Chris?
would.
He's out of bounds.
Don't count your.
Dig, baby! Yeah, you got that.
Don't count your tendies before they're fried.
Don't count your chicken tenders before they're fried. Perfect!
Are you parked?
Yeah, parked it.
That's my name.
She was born mad.
This matters so good.
I am mad.
Short.
Born mad. I'll die mad.
What happened to Zach, by the way?
Skip. Roll! Roll!
I think I might have
still got it.
I still got it.
Pull, Vinny. Swing for him.
This one's for you.
Oh. For the fans or for me?
Yes.
Yes.
That was pretty.
Lucky forehand. Damn, you almost cleared it.
I don't want to lose it. Okay, show off.
Did you see what he did to you guys? Can you apologize to the fans for that? And me? No.
Hey, what are you fishing for?
This guy lost yesterday.
Oh, he lost it
It's not
yesterday.
that bad to get in.
I don't really want to. I don't know if I care that much. I only care a little.
You're only gonna cast once?
It was too short.
Oh. Oh my god.
They're both going in, I'm telling you.
Oh! You're gonna lose your disc, Erika. It's so obnoxiously close to falling out of the bag. It makes me uncomfortable. Look what we found on a course. It's good.
It is good.
Yes! Erika's stamp of approval.
The only stamp that matters.
The only stamp that I count. Ew.
It's fine.
Grody.
Eric, you saw the first one, right?
Oh my god,
Yeah.
they're dancing. Dan, put like some beats behind this, like some please.
No, see, not those bad shots at that.
Can't stop, won't stop. Oh, it won't focus now. You're very mesmerized, aren't you? Okay, Erika, I have an idea. Tell us something weird that like you wouldn't think most people would know about you. But it has to be weird.
I have dreams probably once a week that I've forgotten my high school schedule, and then I'm like locked out of my rooms, and like I'm not in the right place.
Do you panic?
Yeah, like it's just like a stressful dream. I'm like I don't even know what class. I don't know where I am. Yeah, it's really weird.
Madison, what are you eating?
Kick out.
Little cut.
Oh, it's so deep. Just kidding. It's so deep.
In the middle of it. Hey Madison, can you give us a fun weird fact about yourself?
Oh god. How fun, how weird.
Yeah. To the max.
Erika, help me. No, I just had to do this. I'm deeply uncomfortable.
This is perfect.
My disc is in the woods, so I'll come right back and let you know. Cheater. One time I went scuba diving and I got lost from the dive boat and I was lost in the Atlantic Ocean with one other person, with just me and my scuba gear.
Dang.
But I got found by a different dive boat, so.
We're so glad you're still here.
Yeah, fun weird fact.
Are you terrified
Tragedy.
of diving now?
No,
Good.
still my favorite.
Kudos to you.
Okay, bye.
Okay, my fun weird fact is that I used to be in color guard, and then after high school I even taught color guard for 2 years with my friends in high school. Well, I mean, we taught high school color guard with Holly. It was awesome.
Back in air bounce, nose up, rise it.
Chandler, bye! Thanks for coming!
That was a lot of fun. I'll see you guys on the course later.
Eric's screaming in the background. It's really good. Okay, high five. This is great. Calvin! Hey!
Bite challenge. Got a putt. Got a putt.
We're gonna lose at least 2 more players during this one hole, probably. We lost Brittany. We gained Zach.
You lost me for a
We
second.
lost Chandler. Yeah, Chris disappeared for a while.
And I'm back.
Calvin disappeared for a while. Made $100. Madison spent about 30 minutes feeding a moth to a spider. Zach, you know the rules. Okay, I did this with the ladies. Can you give me a weird fact about yourself that most people don't know?
I'm left-handed.
Oh my god! I can't believe we have this live unveiling of Zach Melton's left-handedness.
Calvin Heimburg is actually left-handed.
That's your weird fact about yourself?
What are y'all doing the rest of the day?
That's not true though.
It's not true.
Wait, what's
You lied to me.
No, I'm left-handed.
He said he's left-handed.
Yeah, I'm left-handed.
Wow.
I just choose to use the right one.
You're really good right-handed. That's crazy.
Practice makes.
You're just trying to be fair to all the other players by using your right hand.
Imagine that.
Yeah.
Practice makes this.
Wrap him up.
That was like such a slow
It was really slow.
Just keep it straight.
Wheelbarrow!
Roll him over.
Wheelbarrow!
Tickle him. He's on the ground.
Are you stretching?
This is such a good defense.
Just straight leg him. Uh-oh. Tickle pie! Tickle pie! Yes, 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 yes! Get him! Now! He's vulnerable! Get him!
Stop.
The little slaps.
Wow. It's a workout. Just drag me around.
Cardio.
On that note, thanks for watching our crazy fun round. Everyone say goodbye.
Goodbye. Everyone.
Adios.
Everyone say bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Everyone say bye.
That means you. Say bye. Like, comment, subscribe, and
What'd you say?
we'll see you next time. Thanks for joining.
Hey, bye.
Subscribe.
What was that?
Me doing that, like, hey, what's going on?
I don't like it. I don't like it. Just bite all of your lips. No, top and bottom.